You think you are living healthy? But the truth could be more catastrophic than you imagine. Your daily routine might be destroying your internal filters right now. I am a specialist with 23 years of experience in nephrology. Today, I am revealing the morning mistakes that are turning your kidneys into a wasteland. This is not just medical advice. This is an urgent rescue mission for your kidneys before it is too late. Pay attention to every single detail here. We are talking about a ticking time bomb hidden in your morning habits. Many seniors do these things daily, unaware of the silent damage occurring inside them. The kidneys do not scream until they have lost 90% of their function. By the time you feel pain, the damage might already be permanent today. Let's count down the 10 habits you thought were healthy, but are actually silent killers. We start with the most common mistake involving the most basic element. Habit number 10. Overhydration right after waking up. While water is essential, forcing down massive amounts of fluid instantly creates a sudden, dangerous spike in blood pressure. For seniors with weak hearts or early-stage kidney disease, this sudden volume expansion is a nightmare. Your kidneys must work overtime to process this massive flood immediately. Stop believing the myth that a gallon of water at dawn is a detox. For many, it is simply a recipe for renal strain and cardiovascular exhaustion. Habit number 9. High-intensity exercise on an empty stomach. You think you are burning fat, but you might be burning your own muscle tissue instead right now. When you push too hard without fuel, rhabdomyolysis can occur. This releases myoglobin, a protein that is highly toxic to the delicate tubules of your kidney filters. These proteins act like sludge, clogging your kidney filters and causing acute injury. For an older body, this damage is much harder to repair than for youth. Habit number 8. Eating healthy boxed cereals. Most of these processed grains are loaded with inorganic phosphates used as preservatives to keep them shelf-stable for months. Inorganic phosphate is absorbed almost 100% by your body. It quickly calcifies your renal blood vessels, making them brittle and less efficient at filtering. You are essentially turning your soft blood vessels into stone. This silent process leads to chronic kidney disease and heart complications faster than you can imagine. We have only covered the first 3, and already the damage is mounting. But the next habit is something almost every senior considers a health savior. Habit number 7. Megadosing vitamin C. Many seniors take high-dose supplements every morning to boost immunity, but for the kidneys, this is a dangerous chemical overload. Meet Margaret. She thought she was being healthy by taking 2,000 milligrams of vitamin C daily. Instead, she ended up in the emergency room with agony. Excess vitamin C converts into oxalate. In Margaret's case, it formed sharp oxalate crystals that literally stabbed her kidney tissues from the inside, causing permanent scarring. These jagged diamonds can block urine flow and lead to severe infections. Margaret's story is a warning that more is not always better for your health. Habit number 6. Routine use of NSAID painkillers for morning joint stiffness. These common pills are one of the most frequent causes of drug-induced kidney failure. NSAIDs block prostaglandins, the chemicals that keep the blood vessels in your kidneys open. Taking them daily effectively suffocates your kidneys by cutting off their blood. I have seen countless patients lose their kidney function simply because they tried to manage arthritis pain without knowing the cost to their internal filtration system. Habit number 5. Drinking strong black coffee on a completely empty stomach. For a senior, this acidic punch can trigger a cascade of hormonal stress. The caffeine spike on an empty stomach forces your body to release cortisol. This increases blood pressure and forces the kidneys to filter under much higher pressure. If you do this every day, you are keeping your kidneys in a state of constant hypertension. Always eat something small before you enjoy your morning caffeine. We are halfway through our list. The next habits involve what many call clean eating, but for the elderly, they can be a deadly trap. Habit number 4. Intermittent fasting done incorrectly. While popular, skipping breakfast and staying dehydrated causes a dangerous surge in serum uric acid levels today. When you don't eat or drink, your urine becomes concentrated. Uric acid then precipitates, forming microstones that damage the lining of your kidneys every single hour. Habit number 3. Excessive protein shakes. Harold, a 72-year-old fitness enthusiast, thought more protein would keep him strong, but his kidneys simply could not cope. Older kidneys have a lower glomerular filtration rate. Napping too much protein creates a urea attack, where the kidneys are overwhelmed by nitrogenous waste products immediately. Harold's creatinine levels tripled in just 1 month. His healthy shake was actually pushing him toward dialysis. Remember, your body needs balance, not extreme protein loads. Habit number 2. High-sodium breakfast soups. Many cultures start the day with savory broths, but the hidden salt content is a silent kidney killer for seniors. Excess salt forces the body to retain water, raising blood pressure. This creates immense hyperfiltration pressure, which eventually burns out the tiny units that clean your blood. One salty morning meal can impair your renal function for hours. Over years, this habit destroys the delicate architecture of your kidneys beyond any possible repair. We have reached the most dangerous habit of all. It is the #1 killer of kidney health in the modern world. The morning insulin bomb. Habit number 1. Drinking fruit juice or eating refined sweets for breakfast. This causes a massive insulin spike that does much more than just affect your weight. High insulin acts as a signal for your kidneys to reabsorb sodium. This forces the body to hold on to salt and water, driving up internal kidney pressure. This is the silent slaughter of renal blood vessels. Chronic high insulin levels lead to inflammation and fibrosis, eventually turning healthy kidney tissue into useless scar tissue. That healthy glass of orange juice is effectively a sugar hammer hitting your kidneys every single morning. It is time to rethink everything you know about breakfast. Your kidneys are the silent heroes of your body. They filter your blood 40 times a day. They deserve your respect and your protection starting right now. Review these 10 habits carefully. If you are doing even 3 of these, your kidneys are under threat. It is time to make a vital change today. Imagine a future where you remain active and free from the burden of dialysis. That future starts with the choices you make when you wake up tomorrow. Don't let yourself or your loved ones become another statistic. Share this video to save lives. This is our mission for a healthier and happier community. Choose whole foods, choose moderation, and most importantly, choose to listen to what your body is trying to tell you before the damage becomes truly irreversible. Your kidneys can recover if you act in time. Give them the environment they need to thrive. Protection is much easier and better than any medical cure. I have seen the tragedy of kidney failure. I don't want that for you. Take these words to heart and transform your morning routine for good today. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we will see you in the next video to continue our journey toward total body wellness and longevity. Every piece of knowledge is a tool for survival. Use these tools wisely. Your kidneys are counting on you to make the right decisions every single morning. Gentle movement, proper hydration, and real food. These are the foundations of renal health. Let us reclaim our vitality and protect our precious internal organs forever. One small change can have a massive impact on your health. Start with just 1 habit tomorrow, and watch how your body responds with newfound energy. Knowledge is power, but only if you apply it. Be the master of your own health journey. Your kidneys will thank you for the rest of your life. Keep your inner rivers clean and flowing. Avoid the toxins and the traps of modern convenience. Your health is the greatest wealth you will ever own. It is a new day and a new opportunity for health. Make it count. We are here to support you every step of the way on this journey. This is the mission of a lifetime: to protect, to heal, and to inform. Share this message and let us build a healthier world together, starting now. Respect the complexity of your body. These organs are masterpieces of biological engineering. Treat them with the care and the caution that they truly deserve. Every recovery starts with a single realization. You have the power to change your destiny. Your kidneys are resilient, but they need your help to stay strong. Don't wait for the sand to run out. The time to act is now, in this very moment. Your future self will be grateful for the changes today. Stay vigilant, stay healthy, and always remember that your morning habits define your long-term health. We are here for you. See you in the next update. End of report. Take action. Save your kidneys. This is your final wake-up call for a better life. We wish you health, happiness, and a long life.